The top-spec Prestige trim has been discontinued for 2023, but the A3's remaining trim levels gain more standard and optional features. All models now come with LED headlights and nicer door armrests. The Premium Plus trim can now be had with an LED interior lighting package, and adaptive cruise control can be added to the base Premium trim as a standalone option. The optional convenience package now comes with a wireless smartphone charging pad. The black optic package now includes unique 18-inch wheels. The 2023 Audi A3 packs a lot of premium content into its compact four-door body, and it also features spry handling and strong performance. As the entry point to the Audi brand, the A3 distills much of the lineup's tech-focused ethos into a smaller, less expensive package. It's a desirable choice among its entry luxury rivals, which include the Acura Integra and the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. The A3's cabin is snug, but is outfitted with a large infotainment display and a digital gauge cluster, among other luxury and convenience features. A 201 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder is standard, and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is optional. For those seeking even more thrills in their small luxury car, the more powerful S3 is worth a look. We review that model separately. Even though European models offer a variety of powertrains, the A3 that's earmarked for North America offers a single-engine choice. A 201 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder with a 48-volt hybrid system. Front-wheel drive is standard and all-wheel drive is optional. A 7-speed automatic transmission is standard. On a brief test drive of the new model, we were happy to find that the playful handling that made the previous generation model so entertaining was preserved in the makeover. The turbocharged four-cylinder's horsepower rating isn't as high as the outgoing car's optional 228 HP power plant, and as such, its 0 to 60 MUF time is a half-second slower at 6.0 seconds. Those who want more power should consider the S3, which gets boosted to 306 horsepower. The EPA estimates that the 2023 A3 should deliver 29 mpg city and 38 mpg highway when equipped with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive models are rated for 28 mpg city and 36 mpg highway. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, the all-wheel drive A3 managed a 40 mpg result. For more information about the A3's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. The A3 features a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen on all models. Mercifully, the A3 forgoes the brand's new dual-screen setup that makes climate controls and vehicle driving mode switches a digital affair. Instead, those secondary controls are handled here by good old-fashioned buttons. A 10.3-inch digital gauge display is also standard but can be upgraded to a larger 12.3-inch unit as part of the technology package on the Premium Plus trim. This reconfigurable screen is a popular feature across the rest of the Audi lineup and can display a large map in the center of the instrument cluster as well as other vehicle information, along with standard gauges for speed and RPM. Driver assistance technology is featured heavily on the new A3, with basics such as automated emergency braking being standard and more advanced tech coming with option packages. For more information about the A3's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include Audi's standard warranty package is nothing special, and both its limited and powertrain warranties match those offered by BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Rivals, such as the Cadillac CT4, will offer more value here with longer powertrain coverage. The BMW 2 Series offers 3 years or 36,000 miles of complimentary scheduled maintenance.